A very good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine at home? That's good. Let's start today's class. So, children, which class is today? Today is mathematics class. That's good. You did practice of mathematics? आप मैथमेटिक्स की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं घर पे? So, what we have to do? We have to do our skip counting today. So, children, bring out your mathematics notebook. Children, quickly bring out your mathematics notebook and we will do the skip counting today. What we have to do today? We will do skip counting by 8. आज हम skip counting 8 से start करेंगे. 8 skip counting by 8. So let's bring out your mathematics notebook. Open it. Write down today's day. Let's firstly read the table. Firstly read the table of 8. You do not write. आप लोग लिख चुके हैं ना पहले टेबल 8 का टेबल लिख चुके हैं ना. So let's speak it with me. Yes, 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. And 8 tens are 80. So children, read the table properly at home. सबसे पहले आप लोग 8 का टेबल रीड कीजिए and then we start the skip counting. So children, there are some numbers written here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many numbers are written here. And what we have to do? We have to do the skip counting by 8. We will skip 8. We will skip 8 terms. 8 बार हम skipping करेंगे and then we will move to the 8th number. We will jump for 8 times. हम 8 times skip करेंगे and then हम 0 से start करेंगे. We will start from 0 and skip the 8 times and we directly reach the 8th place. We directly reach the 8th place. So let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have started from 0. हमने 0 से start किया and in 8 times को हम skip करेंगे. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. कितनी बार हमने skip किया? कितने times हमने skip किए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times जंप करके वी रीच द नंबर 8. हम लोग सीधा 8th नंबर पर पहुंच गए. वी जंप फ्रॉम 0 एंड डायरेक्टली रीच द नंबर 8. जो भी 8th प्लेस पर नंबर है वी रीच द प्लेस. लेट्स स्टार्ट अगेन. 8 to 9 we will We will not write the number 9 because we are skipping the numbers 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16. So how many times we skipped? हमने कितनी बार skip किया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We skipped these 8 times and we reached the 8th number. So from 8 to 16 we skipped 8 times and we directly reached the number 16. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16. So children, let's count the numbers on the fingers. अब हम ये numbers अपनी fingers पर count करेंगे. Just open your hands and see the fingers and let's count. After 0, we will start the counting. 0 के बाद की counting हम लोग start करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th place in our hand. हमारे hand पर यहाँ पर 8th place आएगा. So till 8th place we will count the numbers again and again and we will complete the counting. 8th finger तक हम count किया करेंगे और हम अपनी skip counting complete करेंगे. We have skipped all these numbers. Is that clear to you? We have skipped all these numbers. We find the number 8. Now let's start it again. हम लोगों ने skipping के साथ number 8 find कर लिया. Now let's start it again. What is this, children? This is number 9. Now 8 के आगे से हम लोग counting start करेंगे. Count from here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Which is the 8th finger in our hand? This middle finger is the 8th finger. So on the 8th finger we reach the number 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now let's count it again. After 16 we can count again. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we get the number 24 on the 8th finger, on the 8th place. Is that clear? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. On the 8th finger, on the 8th place, we get the number 24. So children, let's start today's counting. Let's start today's skip counting. Firstly, write down your date. Today's date is 12th November 2020 and the day is Thursday. Write down date, CA and the day, and then write down the heading skip counting by 8. Write down the heading with skip counting by 8. So this is our first question. Read the numbers 10, 18, 26, 34. All these numbers are in the pattern of skip counting. ये सभी numbers skip counting के तरीके से लिखे गए हैं. So which number will come after 34? 34 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा बच्चों? Yes, tell me quickly. Let's count the numbers on your fingers. बच्चों अपनी fingers पर count कीजिए और बताइए कि कौन सा नंबर आएगा. Children, let's start counting after 34. 34 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करें. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. The number will be 42. So children, let's write the number 42. The number will be 4 to 42. Now let's count again on the fingers. 42 के आगे से काउंट करने स्टार्ट करें. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. 42 के आगे से अपनी फिंगर्स पर काउंटिंग स्टार्ट कीजिए. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. On the 8th finger, on the 8th place, we are getting the number 50. So just write down in your notebook. The next number will be 50. Now children, tell me which number will come after 50? 50 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Let's count on the fingers quickly. अब आप अपनी फिंगर्स पर काउंट करके देखिए कौन सा नंबर आएगा. Yes, tell me quickly. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. On the 8th finger, on the 8th place, we get the number 58. 58, 58. Let's write down quickly. Okay. Is that clear to you? 58, 58. Now let's come to the question number B. अब हम question number B read करेंगे. Let's read the numbers. Which numbers are written here? 1, 4, 14, and then 2, 2, 22, 3, 0, 30, 3, 8, 38. Now which number will come? 14, 22, 30, 38. 38 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Let's count on your fingers. आप अपनी फिंगर्स पर काउंट कीजिए. Start it again. Start it quickly. 38 के आगे से हम लोग फिंगर्स पर काउंट करेंगे. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. On the 8th finger, we will get the number 46. So just write down in your notebook. Count the numbers on your fingers properly and then write down the numbers. The number is 46. Now let's count again. 46 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट कीजिए and reach the 8th place. 8th place को तक पहुंचेंगे हम लोग. Let's count on your fingers. 46 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट कीजिए. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. The number will be 54. Let's count again. 54 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करें. Let's see on your hands and then count the numbers. 54 के आगे कौन सा नंबर आना चाहिए? 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. The number will be 6 to 62. Children, you have counted the numbers. बच्चों आपने फिंगर्स पर काउंट किए थे नंबर्स. That's good. Let's start to the next question. अब हम next question read करें. Numbers are 25, 33, 41, 49, and which will be the next number? What will be the next number? 49 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा ऑन द 8th प्लेस? लेट्स काउंट ऑन द फिंगर्स. लेट्स काउंट आफ्टर 49. 49 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करें. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. The number will be 57. Just write down the number 57. Which number will come? The number 57. So let's count after 57. 57 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करें. Let's count on your fingers. 57 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. The number will be 65, 65. Is that clear to you? Now children, count after 65. 65 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट कीजिए and we will reach the place which is on the 8th number. 8th place पर जो भी नंबर आएगा हम वह नंबर लिखेंगे. Let's count on your fingers. 65 के आगे से 8th finger तक नंबर्स काउंट कीजिए. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. The number will be 73. You have counted on your fingers. बच्चों आपने अपने फिंगर्स पर काउंटिंग की थी. That's good. So let's start from the fourth question. All these things are clear to you now. ये चीज़ें आपको समझ में आ चुकी हैं. On the question number D, read the numbers 43, 51, 59, 67. Now children, tell me which number will come after 67. 67 के आगे कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Let's count on the fingers. Yes, quickly count on your fingers. अब आप जल्दी जल्दी अपनी फिंगर्स पर काउंट कीजिए. 67 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. The number will be 75. Is that clear to you? इतनी बात समझ में आई? So let's start again. 75 के आगे से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करें. Let's count on your fingers again. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. The number will be 83. So let's write down quickly. So the number will be 83. Now children, let's count the numbers again. After 83, we will reach the 8th place. 83 के आगे से हम 8th place पर पहुंचेंगे. किस तरह? We will count again on the fingers. Let's count it on your finger quickly. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. The number will be 91. On the 8th finger, we get the number 91. So children, write down the number 91 and your skip counting by 8 is done. Just write down it properly. Count on your fingers so that you can understand it properly. Why the class is making so much noise today? Okay, they all are going to celebrate Diwali. So children, Play a safe Diwali. Do not play with crackers. Decorate your home. Eat the sweets and enjoy your day. Happy Diwali, students!